Jenna and welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys how I get super straight and super sleek hair. I'm going to do like a little mini hair review about this hair that I have in my head. This is hair from Nadula Hair Company, and I'm going to share all the details with you guys in this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the notification gang. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the key to getting your hair as sleek as possible really is the blow dry. Like, when you have your hair sleek by the blow dry time, you know when you flat iron it, it's gonna be really straight. So one of the most important parts of getting your hair super sleek and super straight is the blow drying process. This is really important. So when I blow dry, I don't put any products in my hair. If I do, I might put like a tiny bit of this in my hair before I blow dry, and maybe some heat protectant spray. But most of the time when I'm blow drying this hair, I don't use any product. When I'm blow drying my hair, I apply my comb attachment and I blow dry my hair in a downwards motion, just like this. I blow dry it down like this. I blow dry it on high heat. Now what this allows is for the hair to lay in that direction that you want it to lay. When you want your hair, when I wear my hair straight, I want it to be as flat and as sleek as possible, so I blow dry it down just so it's basically set in that direction. So that's what I do to get my hair really super sleek and super straight. And yeah, like I said, high heat, and I blow it down in the direction that I want my hair to go, just like that. So I finished blow drying my hair. So the next thing I like to do when to get sleek straight hair is to apply this Rapid Shine foaming lotion from by Nairobi. It's my favorite one because it doesn't get flaky or crunchy or anything like that. Like, your hair still stays flowy and it moves. So I like to take this and apply it directly to the top, because as you can see, it is not laying flat right now at the top. So I just like to apply a little bit right there and along the closure. And I like to use a small tooth comb to put the hair in the direction that I want it to go. So just take it like that. So this technique really allows the hair to like lay flat as possible, without it being like, without you having to spray like hairspray on the hair. It's kind of like molding the hair. I don't know if you've ever seen like finger wave type videos, and they use like a foaming lotion. And so this is basically like a similar technique, except we're just keeping the hair straight. So also what helps with keeping the hair flat is the way that you make your wig. So if you want to see how I made this wig, I made it really quick, like in under 30 minutes. Go check out, I'll put a card for the video right here, and I'll put a link in the description box on how I made this wig. Alright, so now that I have the hair in the position that I want it to be, I'm going to go in with the blow dryer. This is the attachment that I'm going to use on my blow dryer, just so the hair goes in one direction. I don't want my hair to go flying all over the place, so I'm just going to attach this to my blow dryer. By the way, this is a Typhoon 1900 ceramic ionic blow dryer. I really just picked it up for no specific reason. I just picked it up from my local beauty supply store. I'm actually gonna put this on high heat, at the highest heat setting. So after that's done, the next step is to actually flat iron my hair. So what I'm doing right now is adding some shine stuff to my hair. So this is the Cantu Shea Butter Super Shine Hair Silk. I've been using this, but be careful because you can overdo it. When I add this, I add it to add, you know, shine to my hair, but I don't want to add too much as to weigh it down. So I'm just gonna add a really small amount. So I'm gonna add a drop like this size I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just a really small amount, and I'm gonna split my hair in half and add that to 1/2 of the hair. And I'm gonna do that to the other side. So basically my hair, like if you look at it right now, it's really already pretty sleek and pretty straight, and that's just with the blow dry and the Nairobi foam and wrap lotion. I went ahead and plugged in my flat iron, and I'm just gonna turn it on this flat iron. If I can find like the actual model of this flat iron, I'll put the link on Amazon, so hopefully I can find it. I bought it in the store, but I may be able to find it online. But basically it has a heat thing right here, like a display, and you can set your heat. So I like to set mine pretty high. I usually set it on like about 400. The maximum is 455, so I set it on 400. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I set it lower because it's already like pretty sleek, but I'm just gonna set it on 400. I'm just gonna take a piece from the back like this, and I'm actually gonna, pin it up out of the way. Then I go in with this brush. I got this brush from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. So it's basically a blow dry brush, and it has like vents on this side and this side to blow dry, but what I use it is for a flat iron brush, and it just has bristles on both sides. So all I do is take the hair like this, and then I put the flat iron after it, and then I just follow it like that. And it gets it super sleek and super straight. I'm going to use this top to actually talk about the hair. So this hair is from Nadula Hair Company, and you guys, like, I actually love this hair, which is why I'm doing another video on it, because I just like it. I just like it so much, and it's been lasting pretty good. So I've been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks now, and I just really been liking this hair. So I got this is the Indian Straight, and I got a 20-inch closure, 22-inch, and 3 22-inch bundles, which really that's the length that I usually always get. Like I usually go for like the 22. Yeah, I don't know why. It's just like the perfect length for me. Like it's long, but it's not like too long. I want to actually try some like really long bundles one of these days, like 30 inches, something like that. But for right now, 22 is like my go-to length when I get hair. So yeah, so as far as tangling, I have not experienced much tangling with this hair at all. The only time this hair tangles is when I go a while without washing it, and then it starts to tangle. But then as soon as I wash it and blow dry it, it doesn't tangle anymore. And really the washing and blow drying process of this hair doesn't take a long time. So for me to do that, like maybe like once every like, you know, 5 days or something like that, like it's really not a problem. And another thing I like to do when the hair when it gets a little dirty, I add curls to the hair. So I find when I do the curls on, you know, dirty hair, not too dirty, but just like, you know, unwashed hair, then the curls last a bit longer than when I do it on just the straight hair by itself. But I usually, on straight hair, I usually don't like to curl my straight hair. I usually curl like body wave hair, because I feel like it holds the curls better. But this holds a curl pretty well. As far as like the texture of this hair, I really like the texture. Like I feel like it's a sleek texture, but it doesn't look like too sleek, if you know what I mean. Like it just looks like, I just really like the texture of this hair. So the only this hair, the only place it does tangle a little bit is in the nape of the hair, but that, like I said, is like when I wear it for a long time, it tangles a little bit in the nape, like the neck area. But I haven't found like any hair that doesn't tangle in the nape area, except for I've had like some like a full lace wig before and it really didn't tangle in the nape area, but most like bundled hair, it always tangles in the nape area. I don't know what it is, it just does. Yeah, so I finished flat ironing this side, and what I like to do is take like a little bit more, like a drop more of the Cantu Super Shine Hair Silk, and then I just put that on the entire length of the hair. This is how we looking on this side. Oh, another thing I like about the hair is the ends, like the thickness from like the top of the web to the bottom of the hair. Like they were pretty thick bundles. Like a lot of hair, sometimes when you get hair that it's really scraggly at the ends and you end up having to cut the ends. I did not have to cut the ends at all with this hair, so I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the other side of my hair. Do y'all see this camera quality though? Like this is like a major upgrade. At first I was using my my iPhone 7 front well, I was using my back camera sometimes, but a lot of the time I was using my front camera, and y'all, let me tell you, like that got so frustrating so fast, because you know how iPhones are. Like when the new iPhones come out, they start messing up. So like, I don't know if it's just because I have so much stuff on my phone. Like I have like so many pictures on my phone. Y'all comment down below and guess how many pictures you think I have in my phone. Like it's a lot, but comment down below and guess how much I have, and then comment how many you have to see. Like I'm trying to see if I'm tripping, like is the amount that I have like a lot. But yeah, go ahead and comment that down below. But yeah, yeah, my phone started tripping. I used to edit my phone, my videos on iMovie, and my yeah, on my phone, and it was all, you know what I'm saying, it was all good. Then my phone just started tripping. Like every time I wanted to export the video, it would trip. Like it would not export right, and it would just say something's wrong, and I'm like, what is wrong? Then every time I tried to edit a video, I didn't have enough space on my phone, so they would automatically like upload to the cloud. Then when I tried to do it from the cloud, it would take like 20 hours to download from the cloud. So then when I tried to edit it, say somebody called me on my phone, I would have to start all over. Like not the editing process, but they would have to like re-download. So I was getting so frustrated. Like I was like, I need to get me a camera ASAP. Yeah, I just finished flat ironing that last piece of hair that I had left, and I'm just gonna go back over it again. So the last step that I like to do is the same thing I did on this side. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this the Shine Hair Silk, and I'm gonna add that to the entire head. Like I said, be careful. You do not want to add too much because you don't really want to weigh the hair down. But I'm just gonna add this to the ends. And I just kind of bump the ends just a little bit. So you see it's still moving, it's still bouncy, it's still flowy. And I'm just gonna take the Nairobi and I'm just gonna add that to the top. I really just add like this much, rub it in my hands, and I'm just gonna go over the entire top of my head.